I've been to the Fringe once before. I went there last year for the first time. I've been to Edinburgh a few times before then, but this was my first time at the Fringe. My girlfriend was doing a show up there, so I went up to visit and got roped into flyering for a few hours, which is a bit of an eye-opener. Well, obviously a festival of theatre and performance in general. I went to see lots of comedians last year, so I think comedy is a big part of the Edinburgh Fringe Festival, which obviously I'm a big fan of. I think I'm looking forward to seeing how, because we're doing the show in the Welsh language, obviously, I think it's going to be interesting to see how it's received up there. I'm not sure how many foreign language shows that are being staged up there, but yeah, I'm looking forward to see people's reaction.